Next, we will consider the effect of hydrogen bonding on chemical shift. We are saying hydrogen bonding means an hydrogen atom is attached to an highly electronegative atom. So, an hydrogen atom is linked to a highly electronegative atom. Now, the electron density already is attached to an electronegative atom. The electron density of this proton is decreased. The proton is deshielded protons, and again if it is attached to another electronegative atom, then this proton is more deshielded or downfield. So hydrogen bonding protons have higher delta values with the normal protons. And the extent of hydrogen bonding depends upon the other condition. The intermolecular hydrogen bonding depends upon concentration and solvents and temperature. So at a very high concentrated solution, the extent of hydrogen bonding is more than the extent of deshielding is also more. So therefore, the proton shift of the protons attached to nitrogen or oxygen, nitrogen, and this as such, these chemical shift values depends upon the concentration, the extent of hydrogen bonding with the other atoms. So the chemical shift values of these protons depends upon the extent of hydrogen bonding. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding also deshielded. We'll take some examples. This is a phenolic or this proton and another proton. Orthohydroxyacetophenol. And here there is an intramolecular hydrogen bonding is there. The chemical shift values for this compound is, the chemical shift value for this proton is 7.5 delta, and here this proton is not involved in hydrogen bonding, but this proton is involved in hydrogen bonding with the oxygen atom. The chemical shift value is increased and it is highly downfield, about 12.5 delta. So this increase in the chemical shift value is due to the presence of intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Similarly, we can take the example of acetyl acetone in the enol form. This is acetyl acetone in the enol form, and here the intramolecular hydrogen bonding is there. Therefore, the proton of this proton is highly deshielded. Chemical shift value is about 15.4 delta. Let us take another example, the carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids, this RCOOH, one molecule, and another molecule, and here the extent of hydrogen bonding is there, intermolecular hydrogen bonding. So this proton is involved in a covalent bond here, electronegative oxygen atom, and another one electronegative oxygen atom. Here is a covalent bond, and here hydrogen bonding is there. So this proton is highly deshielded now here. So here it has higher delta values. Similarly, here also higher delta values. Next, in the case of alcohols, we'll take another example is alcohols. Here the hydrogen bonding, extent of hydrogen bonding depends upon the concentration. In dilute solution, the extent of hydrogen bonding is very less, and it gives some value of chemical shift values. And if in the concentrated solution, the chemical shift values will increase. Chemical shift values will increase because of the presence of hydrogen bonding. In concentrated solution, the extent of hydrogen bonding is more. Extent of hydrogen bonding is more in presence of concentrated solution. So, in concentrated solution, the chemical shift values of these protons are high compared to dilute solution. So far we have discussed the various factors which influence the values of chemical shift. We have discussed the electronegativity effects, the hybridization effect, and magnetic anisotropic effect in olefins and aromatic compounds, acetylene and carbonyl compounds, and also the effect of hydrogen bonding on the values of chemical shift. So chemical shift depends upon these various factors. We will discuss the chemical shift values of some of the important compounds. And this is the NMR spectrum scale. It starts from 0 to 15 chemical shift values are there. And in these sides, highly shielded protons. In this side, de-shielded protons. Or it is up-fielded protons and down-fielded protons. These protons, alkyl protons, or these protons, the values will be here. This CH2 aromatic, attached to aromatic, it comes around here, and then CH2O, CH2NO2, CHX, and the acetylene protons comes in here, and this olefinic protons in the range 5 to 6 delta, aromatic protons around 7 to 8 delta, aldehyde protons about 9 to 10 delta, and carboxylic acid protons 11 to 12 delta, and is enolic protons at about highly de-shielded position in the 13 to 14 delta values. We'll take an example. We'll take an example of nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene. This is the ortho proton, this is a metaproton and paraproton. The chemical shift values of the aromatic protons are slight change is there. This is 7.6, this is 7.16, shielded one, and 8.2. It is highly down-fielded. Chemical shift values is more. So this is explained by electron withdrawing nature of the nitro group. It decreases the electron density at the ortho position. As a result, the electron density in this proton is less. So therefore, this proton is less shielded. Or it is down-fielded. Chemical shift value is more here. We take another example is anisole. We'll take another example, anisole. Here this is electron releasing group. So the ortho proton, the value of ortho proton is 6.79 because it releases electron, and here this carbon atom gives a negative charge. So negative charge is attached to the proton. So this proton, now electron density increases. As electron density increases, the shielding is more. So the chemical shift value of this one is less. We'll take cyclooctatetraene. Cyclooctatetraene. And here all these carbon atoms are not in single plane. It exists as a tub shape. And the extent of delocalization is very less here. Delocalization is very less. So protons are shielded, and the value of all the protons is 5.8 delta. 5.8 delta. So the p orbitals are in the different plane. The extent of delocalization is less. So the chemical shift values are less. We take another example is cycloheptadienyl anion. Cyclopentadienyl anion, and it is aromatic in nature because it applies the holds good for the calculus 4n plus 2 pi electrons rule. It consists of 6 electrons, so it is aromatic in nature, but it in presence of a negative charge, one more, 2 electrons or more, so the molecule as a whole or protons are here shielded. The value is about, the delta values is 5.42, and it is upfielded than the aromatic value of chemical shift value of 7, and it is here the chemical shift value is less due to the presence of electron density. Here is more in the case of cyclopentadienyl anion. We take another example, cycloheptatrienine. Or we call it as tropinium cation 7. Here it is highly de-shielded protons. Protons are highly de-shielded, and the value is, delta value is 9.17. 9.17 is a tropinium cation or cycloheptatrienine cation. So in this way, the chemical shift values, these are the chemical shift values of some of the compounds. It depends upon the different factors discussed in the earlier cases.